Hello, children. I did not expect you today. How are you doing? It's good to see you. It's been some time since you last saw me. I've grown my beard. In Russia, it's very cold in this time of the year. So we must grow our beards to keep our faces warm. It's very good. Yes. So you were just interrupting me as I was about to eat my dinner. I'm having something you've probably never heard before. It's called a plant cell sandwich. Interesting, is it not? Yes. Now, Mr. Mark tells me you are learning about plant cells in the class. Am I correct? Yes, I am correct. Because I am always correct, because I am smart, and because I am smarter than Mr. Mark. Yes, we all know that though. Yes, okay. Now, I want to show you my plant cell sandwich. Would you like to see it? Maybe even have a taste. That would be good, would it not? Plant cell sandwich is the best sandwich there is. So, allow me to show you my plant cell sandwich. Here it is, in its fine glory, the plant cell sandwich. This is delicious concoction for science purposes, and it has many tasty morsels on it. Now you may say, Mr. Dmitri, this looks like jelly sandwich with donut and Reese's on it, but no, we don't have these silly things in Russia, or we have plant cell sandwiches. So I tell you parts of my plant cell sandwich. First, we have this part right here. What you may call crust on bread is actually cell wall. Protects the cell from harm and gives it structure and support. Next we move on the inside and what you may call a Twizzler. It's actually a cell membrane. It is inside the cell wall and also provides a protection membrane around the cell. It keeps bad things out and good things in. Very important. Now you might say, what is this donut looking thing right in the middle? Well, I tell you, the thing in the plant cell that takes up almost 90% of the entire cell is the vacuole. The vacuole stores the food and the water and the waste. It's very big in plant cell, very important. And you might say, Mr. Dmitri, what is this jelly I see? No, it looks like jelly, but it's actually called the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is very similar to jelly. It is where all of the organelles sit inside the cell. It is filled with nutrients and water. Now, there are 3 more parts left, so let us keep going, okay? I'm getting very hungry. Next we have this squiggly looking line right here. You might say, that looks like Frito. No, this is not Frito. It is a mitochondria. The mitochondria is responsible for providing energy for the cell. Very important, very, very important. We also have these little, what you may call Halloween candy. We don't have Halloween in Russia. It's a stupid holiday. Candy. Pfft. No time for candy. Only time for plant cells. Anyway, these little things, they look like teardrops, yes? Well, they are called the chloroplast. This is the organelle in the plant cell that takes in the sunlight and turns it into food for the plant. It's very good. It's how the plant eats. Also, the final piece is the nucleus. You might say, Mr. Dmitri, this looks like Reese's peanut butter. No! Don't speak of such things. Anyway, the nucleus is where genetic information is stored for the cell. It is also an organelle that directs the rest of the cell on what to do and where to go. Very good, children, comrades. Hope you have a good day listening to my sandwich. I bet you are thinking now, oh, I'm very hungry. Well, you should be, because I'm going to eat my sandwich. It's very, very good.
Fine. So,